What if I told you that you could achieve semi-retirement by age 40 with just 3 rental properties? I know it sounds almost unbelievable, but stick with me. In this video, I'm going to break down exactly how the strategy works. By the end, you'll have a clear, actionable roadmap that could completely transform your financial future. Most people assume early retirement is only for the ultra-wealthy or those with dozens of properties. But what if there's a simpler, more accessible way? Let's dive in and challenge some of those common beliefs together. Any of us grow up thinking that to retire early, you need millions in the bank or a massive real estate empire. This mindset keeps so many people stuck in the rat race, working jobs they don't love just to make ends meet. But the truth is, you don't have to be a real estate mogul to achieve financial freedom. The key is being strategic, patient, and understanding how a focused plan can work in your favor. Let's explore how you can break free from these limiting beliefs and start building a future on your own terms. So what exactly is the 3 rental semi-retirement plan? It's a simple yet powerful approach to building wealth and freedom. Instead of chasing after dozens of properties or getting overwhelmed by complex deals, you focus on acquiring just 3 well-chosen rentals. Each property serves a unique role in your journey, working together to support your financial goals. This strategy is about efficiency, not excess. It's about building a lean, manageable portfolio that delivers consistent results without the headaches of a massive operation. Before we go further, let's clarify what semi-retirement really means. This isn't about quitting work forever or lounging on a beach all day. Semi-retirement is having enough passive income to cover your basic living expenses. It gives you the freedom to pursue passion projects, spend more time with loved ones, or work only when you choose to. You're not forced to work just to pay the bills. Instead, you gain control over your time and energy, creating a life that's both secure and fulfilling. The beauty of the 3 rental strategy is its simplicity. While many investors chase after complex deals and massive portfolios, you're building a streamlined, efficient system. With just 3 properties, you can generate steady cash flow and minimize the headaches that come with managing a larger operation. This approach is accessible to more people, requires less capital, and is easier to manage over the long term. It's about working smarter, not harder, and focusing on what truly matters. Think of your 3 rental properties as the pillars supporting your path to semi-retirement. Each one plays a different role, contributing uniquely to your financial freedom. By understanding how each property fits into the bigger picture, you can maximize your results and build a solid foundation for your future. This isn't about luck or timing, it's about having a clear plan and executing it step by step. Let's break down the purpose of each property in your portfolio. First property in your portfolio is your cash flow generator. This is usually a single-family home or duplex located in a stable, middle-class neighborhood. You're not looking for the fanciest area or the cheapest deal. Instead, you want a property that attracts reliable tenants who are likely to stay long-term and pay rent on time. After all expenses, this property should generate at least $300 to $500 in positive cash flow each month. While that might not sound like a fortune, it's a crucial building block for your plan. Positive cash flow is the lifeblood of your semi-retirement plan. It's the money left over after all expenses are paid: mortgage, taxes, insurance, maintenance, and more. This extra income can be used to cover your living expenses, reinvest in more properties, or simply give you peace of mind. Focusing on cash flow rather than just appreciation ensures your investments work for you right now, not just in the distant future. It's a practical, reliable way to build wealth over time. Location is everything when it comes to rental properties. For your cash flow generator, look for neighborhoods with stable employment, good schools, and low crime rates. These areas tend to attract tenants who stay longer and take better care of the property. Do your research, visit the neighborhood at different times of day, and talk to local property managers. The right location can make all the difference in your long-term success. Finding reliable tenants is key to keeping your cash flow steady. Screen applicants carefully by checking their credit, employment history, and references. Set clear expectations in your lease and communicate openly from the start. A good tenant can make your investment almost effortless, while a bad one can cause endless headaches. Take your time with this step, it's worth the extra effort to find the right fit. Second property in your portfolio is your equity builder. This might be a home that needs a little work or is in an up-and-coming neighborhood. The goal here is to buy below market value, make smart improvements, and watch your equity grow over time. As the property appreciates and you pay down the mortgage, your net worth increases. This property is your ticket to long-term wealth and financial stability. Equity is the difference between what your property is worth and what you owe on it. As you pay down your mortgage and your property value increases, your equity grows. This is a powerful wealth-building tool because it gives you options: refinance, sell, or leverage your equity to buy more properties. Focusing on equity helps you build a strong financial foundation that can support your goals for years to come. When it comes to building equity, smart renovations can make a big difference. Focus on improvements that add real value, like updating kitchens and bathrooms, improving curb appeal, or adding energy-efficient features. Set a budget and stick to it. Over-improving can eat into your profits. The goal is to make the property more attractive to tenants and future buyers while increasing its value over time. Third property in your plan is your appreciation play. This is a property in a market with strong long-term growth potential. You might not see huge cash flow right away, but over time the value of the property increases, building your wealth passively. This property rounds out your portfolio, balancing immediate income with future gains. It's about patience and letting time work in your favor. Choosing the right market for your appreciation play is crucial. Look for cities or neighborhoods with growing populations, strong job markets, and planned infrastructure improvements. Research historical price trends and talk to local real estate agents. The more you know about a market's potential, the better your chances of making a smart investment that pays off over time. 3 different types of properties. You're diversifying your income and risk. Your cash flow generator provides steady monthly income, your equity builder increases your net worth, and your appreciation play grows your wealth over time. This balanced approach helps protect you from market ups and downs while giving you multiple paths to financial freedom. It's a smart, sustainable way to build wealth. Getting started is often the hardest part. For your first property, explore different financing options, conventional loans, FHA loans, or even partnering with friends or family. Save for a down payment, improve your credit score, and get pre-approved before you start shopping. The more prepared you are, the smoother the process will be. Remember, you don't need to buy all 3 properties at once. Start with one and build from there. Managing rental properties doesn't have to be overwhelming. You can choose to self-manage or hire a property manager. Set up systems for collecting rent, handling maintenance, and communicating with tenants. The key is to stay organized and proactive. With just 3 properties, management is much more manageable than a large portfolio, giving you more time to enjoy the benefits of your investments. Every investment comes with challenges, unexpected repairs, vacancies, or difficult tenants. The good news is, with a small, focused portfolio, these issues are easier to handle. Set aside a reserve fund for emergencies and don't be afraid to ask for help when you need it. The key is to stay calm, address problems quickly, and keep your long-term goals in mind. Challenges are just part of the journey. You don't have to stop at 3 properties if you don't want to. Once you're comfortable, you can choose to scale up your portfolio, reinvest your profits, or simply enjoy the freedom you've created. The 3 rental plan gives you a strong foundation, and from there, the possibilities are endless. The most important thing is to move at your own pace and make decisions that align with your goals. Passive income is money you earn with little to no daily effort. Rental properties are a classic example. Once set up, they generate income month after month. This steady stream of cash gives you more freedom and flexibility in your life. It's not about getting rich overnight, but about building a reliable source of income that supports your lifestyle and goals. Semi-retirement isn't just about money, it's about freedom. With your basic expenses covered by rental income, you can choose how to spend your time. Maybe you want to travel, start a business, or volunteer in your community. The point is, you're no longer tied to a job just to survive. You have the flexibility to design your life around what matters most to you. As you start your journey, be aware of common mistakes. Don't overleverage yourself with too much debt. Avoid buying properties in declining neighborhoods just because they're cheap. And don't neglect maintenance. Small problems can become big ones if ignored. Learn from others, do your research, and stay disciplined. Success comes from making smart, informed decisions. Building wealth through real estate takes time. Don't expect overnight results. Be patient, stick to your plan, and let your investments grow. The 3 rental strategy is about steady progress, not quick wins. Over the years, your properties will appreciate, your equity will grow, and your cash flow will increase. Trust the process and stay committed to your goals. Keep track of your income, expenses, and property values. Regularly review your goals and adjust your strategy as needed. Use simple spreadsheets or property management software to stay organized. Tracking your progress not only keeps you motivated but also helps you spot opportunities for improvement. Remember, what gets measured gets managed. Every step forward is worth celebrating. Whether it's buying your first property, finding a great tenant, or hitting your cash flow target, take time to acknowledge your progress. These small wins add up over time and keep you motivated on your journey to semi-retirement. Remember, success is a series of small, consistent actions. You don't have to do this alone. Connect with other investors, join local real estate groups, or find a mentor. Sharing experiences and learning from others can help you avoid mistakes and accelerate your progress. A strong support network makes the journey more enjoyable and increases your chances of success. There will be ups and downs along the way. Stay focused on your why, whether it's more time with family, financial security, or personal freedom. Remind yourself of your goals and visualize the life you're building. Motivation comes from within, but it's fueled by seeing real progress and knowing you're on the right path. Let's recap the roadmap. Start with a cash flow generator in a stable area, add an equity builder with renovation potential, and finish with an appreciation play in a growth market. Manage your properties wisely, avoid common mistakes, and stay patient. With just 3 rentals, you can create a life of freedom and flexibility. The journey is simple, but the rewards are life-changing. Best time to start is now. Take the first step, even if it's just learning more or saving for a down payment. The 3 rental semi-retirement plan is within reach for anyone willing to commit and take action. Imagine the freedom, security, and opportunities that await you. Your future self will thank you for starting today. Here, to building the life you truly want, one property at a time.